In this video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your iPhone 12 is original. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which iPhone model you have, you will be able to use the method in this video to check if it is original or not. This will be done using the serial number attached to your device. So the serial number is generated when the iPhone is manufactured, and it is a unique identifier. So each iPhone that is manufactured will have a unique serial number, and this can be used to determine if it was indeed manufactured by Apple, meaning if it is original or not. So, in order to acquire the serial number, go into the settings and access the general category. So on your iPhone 12, go to settings and then general. Under general, you will have the about section. So this is where you can see details about this phone, including of course the serial number. So the two important things here will be the serial number and the model number. This will be used to compare with the box of your original iPhone. If you lost the box or you don't have access to it, that's okay. You can still use the serial number later, so skip ahead in the video. But if you have the box, I recommend doing these two methods to double check if it is original or not. So let's say, for example, the serial number displayed on the about section is 12345A, and if you look at the bottom of the box, if you turn it around, the serial number should also be displayed here. And it should match with the serial number displayed on the About section of your iPhone. You can also find the model number in here, although this isn't strictly necessary. Usually, if the serial number matches, the model number will as well. And if they match, it indicates that this was the iPhone that shipped with this box, and it is a good indicator towards finding out if your iPhone is original or not. Now, there is one more thing that you can do with the serial number to ensure that it is original. Copy the serial number. So if you tap and hold on the serial number, you will see the option to copy it. And once it has been copied, you have to visit a specific website on Apple's site, which is checkcoverage.apple.com. So go to checkcoverage.apple.com through a web browser on your PC or your phone. In here, you will enter the device serial number. So let's pick the example that I gave, 12345A. You input it here, and then you copy the captcha displayed. Click submit, and if it is a valid iPhone, it is going to give you information like the model, so it should say iPhone 12 and the production date. And if it gives you a message like this where the serial number is not valid, or it gives you a different model, it could indicate that your iPhone is fake. If you input the serial number from your iPhone 12 and it tells you that you have an iPhone 11 or iPhone 10, it could be another serial number that is just being used as a random one for your fake iPhone 12. But if it gives you information and everything lines up, including the model, the production date, and the coverage that you have, it indicates that you have an original iPhone. I hope I was able to help you on how to know if your iPhone 12 is original. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.